Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I'm going to show you how you can install a screen guard on your smartphone. So I got the packet right over here. So there are some few steps that you need to take before you apply a screen guard to your phone. So I got my phone over here. So let's get started. There are few things that you need to worry about before you can actually install a screen guard on a smartphone. So first of all, lay out all the stuff that you need in front of you, because if you leave your stuff in the middle of the way, then you can cause a lot of problem for yourself. Now firstly you will of course need your smartphone to apply the cover to, and then you will require a clean cloth just like this one. It is a simple spectacle cleaning cloth that I use for my glasses, and up here is a package of the screen card. So let's unbox it and see what's inside it. So first of all you get a scraper tool, like this is a little plastic tool to scrape off the dust or whatever and pull out the bubbles from the guard. And then here are some glide stickers and a dust remover. So this is a sticky dust remover, so if you have dust inside the phone then you can remove it very easily from by using this. And the use of glide sticker, I don't recommend using the glide stickers because they require a very high accuracy to install, so I am just going to do it by free hands. Then you get the wipes. So these are two types of wipes. So you get a wet wipe and a dry wipe, and they are obviously labeled. So this is the wet wipe and this is the dry wipe. So first of all you will do the wet wipe, and then you will use the dry wipe to remove any residue left behind. Then there is the main screen guard in this nice foam casing. So let's take it out, and as you can see that it looks very nice. And this is the back side, as you can tell by this cutout over here. So you just peel it like this and then you can go on from there. So let's start off with the phone cleaning screen. As you can see that there are a lot of smudges on the smartphone screen, so let's first clean it up with this cloth over here, and you can use a cup of water for help as well. So what I'm going to do is just drop a few drops over the phone and then just rub it off with the glasses cloth. So let me remove my phone cover over here. Take your time in this because this is a very crucial step, and if you don't do it correctly you will have a bad screen guard on your phone. So, and only you get a one try, so just be patient and while doing this process. So as you can see now that the phone is pretty much cleaned up very nicely, and you can still keep this wet wipes aside for later purpose, but I'm still going to use them on this phone. I'm going to show you how you can use that. So first of all you take the wet wipe, and this is an alcoholic wet wipe, so you need to act quickly. So you just open it like this and then just clean the surface of the phone with the gesture just like so, and make sure that there is no smudges or residue left on the smartphone screen. And make sure that you do this in a room where the air is not moving. So I have turned off the fan obviously for recording purposes, but it also serves as a bonus point for this purpose. So there will be no dust particles moving around in the air so that the particles will not settle on this smartphone screen. Then you can take the dry wipe to dry off this residue as well, and make sure that you don't touch the screen afterwards, because right now it is as clean as it can be, so make sure to not touch the screen. So I will just lift it by these sides, and as you can see that the phone is pretty much now clean, like very much. So let's start off with the applying procedure. So here is the guard. Let's just take the layer out of it. handle the screen guard by the sides, and you can align it with the notch on the screen guard and on the phone, so you can get pretty much idea of how this is going to be installed. So let's do it right now. And that was pretty satisfying to watch. Now as you can see, I actually caught a dust particle and two dust particles right here and here. So what I'm going to do is just take the sticker over here and then try to peel it, take it out. So let's remove the screen guard once again, and you need to do this process very quickly, otherwise you will get more dust settled in your screen guard, which will cause more problem. So now there is a little air bubble that we created, so let's press this by finger, so you can just take it out very easily. So just negotiate it very gently and don't break your screen. So you can just move it to the side. So as you can see now that the guard is applied with no air bubbles, now we can go ahead and put some water in it, on top of it, and just take our cloth and clean it. And there you go, you have installed a new screen guard on your smartphone. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, hope you like it. And the process was pretty simple. I mean, you just need steady hands and patience to complete this process. And I didn't even use the black stickers, I just used this dust absorber to remove the dust from the screen guard that was caught between them. So thanks for watching this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.